When dismantling a suspension strut, sometimes the securing nut can be difficult to access, and the central strut itself needs to be held still while the nut is undone. This new toolkit is designed to overcome these problems and make the job quick and easy. The secret is the go-through design of the sockets and ratchet. This clever design allows the strut lock extensions to go right through the middle of the ratchet and socket. 5 different strut lock extensions are included to fit a variety of applications. Once the spring is compressed and the top plate is free, we choose the correct strut lock extension and socket. Then fit the socket and the ratchet handle and fit the strut lock straight through. Making what can be an awkward job very easy. On this Mercedes-Benz strut, the job is further complicated by the special type of securing nut that is used. To solve this problem, Laser Tools have a range of special sockets designed for specific applications. This is the correct one for this Mercedes strut. The 2 lugs on the socket locate down into the securing nut. Then, with the go-through ratchet, correctly sized socket and the strut lock extension in place, the special securing nut is easily removed. You can trust Laser Tools to solve these awkward problems with their innovative, high-quality tools for the professional technician.